Kate is 6 months old today. Here, buddy, let's move you so that we can see the 6. There we go. There he is. 6. 6. Can I get a 6? Can I get a 6? Kate.
Look over here, baby.
Kate, can I get a 6? Can I get a 6? Can I get a 6? 6 years old today. 6 years old. Oh boy, this is so much fun, huh?
This is the most excited you've been.
Kate, what you doing? Oh boy, this is fun.
Mine are all blurry because he jumps every time.
This is so much fun. Kate, look at you. Look at you.
Good job, baby.
Look at, look, look. Hey, boy.
Smile, baby. Smile. You're so excited, huh? You're so excited.
6 months.
I don't know if I got any good questions.
What you doing? Look at you sitting up. Look at you sitting up like a big boy.
You good baby. Oh, look at me. Look at mommy. Oh. You relax? Yeah, you're relaxing, huh?
Now let's get one of us tall and hold him.
Oh, sorry, baby. You okay?
Come on.
Let's see how tall you are. Look at those legs. Kate. Kate, baby. Oh. Okay, baby. Look how tall you are. Oh. Okay, baby. Look over here. Look at mommy. Oh, bit. Oh, not getting them good. It's like then he gets in a good position, but no, I know, but it takes a second to. Hey, baby. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Oh, you excited, huh? You excited? Let me get some of this. Let me get some of this. A little bit of this.
Good boy.
That was a fun photo shoot.
Good boy.
I think you moved a whole lot, so mine are all blurry, but that's hopefully was. You don't go flying off this thing. You got him.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're sitting on your leg, that's why. Hey, look at you.
You're just like a little old man. You got mommy's spot. Is this gonna be your spot? Where's mommy gonna go? Huh? Where's mommy gonna go? Is that gonna be my spot? Yeah. Yeah? Is that? You're gonna sit in mommy's spot?
I'll send them to you.
Okay. What's that? Oh, Daddy's gonna put your pictures up. Oh, where are you trying to go? You gonna go play with all that energy? You wanna get tired?